99% of people are trapped their whole life and they don't notice. Well, it's because the system is designed that way. But that's not you. You're a Bitcoiner. Most people drift through life, dreaming someone else's dream. They never questioned what they really wanted, just told what to chase. Worshipping numbers. Worshipping noise. What they live through is just a show, carefully scripted to keep them distracted. Once I noticed this, I had to do something about it. I couldn't stand it anymore. The code was only the beginning, but what came next changed the world forever.
Bitcoin and crypto will grow our economy, cement American financial dominance.
Bitcoin is the best crypto asset. What's the second best? There is no second best.
I will send to Congress a bill that will make Bitcoin a legal tender in El Salvador.
I'm offering you a chance to join the ultimate challenge and prove that you're a real Bitcoiner. The game involves unraveling clues, solving puzzles, and uncovering hidden secrets. If you can solve all of these riddles and prove you're a real Bitcoiner, at the end of this journey, you'll get the chance to win a full Bitcoin. For more information, join the waitlist. Are you ready to play and win?